Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to easily change the username on your Windows 10 computer. So just on the home screen here, let's go on over to search and then type this specifically in. This will be netplwiz and then go to run command. Otherwise, you can press the Windows button and the R key to open up the command window. Now, when this is open, let's just type that in, netplwiz, and then go to OK, and it's going to open up this window. So from here, we want to go to our account. So I'm going to use my administrator account, then go to properties right here and select this. Then you can change the username right here. So type in a username, then go to apply, then go to the Windows Start button and go to power and restart your computer. And when you restart your computer, the changes will take effect. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.